Hi all. So today we are going to discuss Claude AI. It's a large language model which has been making waves in AI communities. As you might know, Claude is a competitor for ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is from OpenAI, and Claude AI is from Anthropic. Anthropic started in 2021, and their aim is to make a responsible AI. And today we are going to discuss what are some of the things which differentiates Claude AI, where you should use them. Is it better than ChatGPT or not? So don't go anywhere and stay all the way to the end. So what is Claude AI? Claude AI is a large language model which is designed to engage in a text-based conversation, and it is not only a chatbot. It uses wide variety of input to provide with impressive accuracy and fluency. Now, why should you learn about Claude AI? So first, a lot of us, when ChatGPT was introduced, we started using that. But since then, a lot of new technologies have come up, and each has its own advantages or specialization. So in one of my earlier video, I discussed about perplexity, which is great for research. So if you are a researcher, instead of using ChatGPT, you should be using perplexity, where you can get the accurate data with the sources and a lot of other things. Now let's discuss what are some of the special features of Claude AI. So now Claude AI you can use for anything which you use for with ChatGPT. You can type different questions and get answers, but there are certain things where Claude excels. So let's go through that. Now let's quickly have a look at Claude AI. So, so I have already logged into Claude. You can use your Google sign in to sign up. It has a free version and paid version, like any other AI-based softwares. So one thing which it offers is when you ask a question to Claude, you can uh, provide it option that whether you want a regular response or a concise or a formal, those kind of styles you can select, and you can attach any file. So you can upload an image or spreadsheet or some kind of a PDF, and then ask it to analyze it. And uh, you can generate Excel formula codes and whatnot, hundreds of capabilities, as I mentioned, similar to ChatGPT. Now let's discuss some of the items where Claude is kind of better or has an advantage compared to ChatGPT. So first thing is for coding. So, as per the research, Claude performs better than ChatGPT when it comes to coding, and a lot of developers like it. So, there was some kind of a research done and human eval test where they determined that Claude performs better than ChatGPT in coding. In real world, it provides a cleaner, well-optimized code which can be used right off the bat from Claude. So if you are a developer or interested in coding, or you want to use, you're wondering which AI platform you should use, then Claude is a better option for you. Now, Claude has recently launched something called Claude for Desktop. So you can download this application on your desktop and then ask it to perform multiple functions. You can use ask it to use spreadsheet, create certain formulas and whatnot. But you can use it for coding as well. You can make it open your code editor, write codes, compile it, and whatnot, right? Like hundreds of things which you do on your laptop or desktop, you can do it using Claude. And that is a very powerful feature. Now, another area where Claude has a little advantage is its focus on ethical AI. So, Claude has made its name by focusing and promoting ethical AI. So, they say that they have safeguards in place to make sure that, it is using ethics and it cannot be used for anything wrong. Other platforms are also doing something similar, but you might have seen certain other large language model companies getting issues in this area. So if you are someone who's developing a software or a product and you want to make sure that your AI is ethical uh, and have more focus on this area, then Claude might be a better option for you. So one technical area where Claude is having some advantage is related to context handling. So Claude can handle 200K tokens, and which is significantly higher compared to another models in market. But to provide a caveat, like all large language models are evolving and they are trying to catch up with each other. So this advantage may or may not remain in future. Secondly, from the language processing perspective, it is observed that Claude provide more, human-like natural uh, language and interpretations when you do research analysis. Which one is better, Claude or ChatGPT? And the answer, unfortunately, is depends on your use case. So personally, I use ChatGPT for most of my work, maybe 70-80% of the work. But in special situations, for example, if you are into coding or you want to use more ethical, safe AI, then Cloud might be a better option in those scenarios. And as I mentioned, if you want to do research and more and you'd want to depend on correct information, then Perplexity might be a better option. So again, it's better to know about all the options and tools available in AI currently, so that you can make a best decision. I hope you liked this video and you were able to learn something out of it. If you have any other question, then please feel free to leave them in comments, and we'll try to cover it next time. Thanks. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.